Hi students, problem number 19. The equations of displacements of two waves are given as y1 equal to 10 into sine of 3 pi t plus pi by 3 and y2 is equal to 5 into sine 3 pi by t plus root 3 cos 3 pi t. So what is the ratio of their amplitudes? We have to find the ratio of their amplitudes. Now you can look at the first equation, y1 is equal to, so here I am going to compare this equation as y1 equal to a1 into sine omega t. So this is the amplitude of the first wave, a1 is equal to 10 unit. Okay, this is the amplitude. But here the equation 5 is constant for both the sine term as well as cos term. So I write y2 separately. So y2, I open up the bracket after this number 5. So this can be written as 5 into sine of 3 pi t plus 5 root 3 times, okay, 5 root 3 into cos of 3 pi t. So now how to calculate this amplitude A2? Now A2, the amplitude is A2 is equal to square root of this 5 square, okay, 5 square plus 5 root 3 the whole square. We have to find like this. So this is equal to now square root of 5 square is 25. Plus 5 root 3 the whole square is 5 square into 3. So this is 25 into 3. So A2 is now equal to square root of 25 plus 25 into 3 is 75. So this is equal to square root of 100. Therefore, A2 is also equal to square root of 100 is how much? 10 only. So this is also 10 unit. So A1 is 10 unit. A2 is also equal to what? 10 unit. Therefore, what is the ratio is asked. Therefore, the ratio A1 by A2 is equal to 10 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 1. Therefore, A1 is to A2 is equal to 1 is to 1. Okay, this is the method of finding the ratio of the amplitudes. So now let us check the options. Option C is correct. Okay, therefore option C is the right answer. It's a very simple numerical problem. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.